Hey there! Thank you for watching my new video. Well, November just started, so I just wanted to show you what I'm going to make in my bullet journal. And well, for October I finally managed to fill in mostly of the weekly menus. And well, I've noticed that it's for me, my head doesn't get that full with what I'm going to eat throughout the week, so I just fill in a whole week of menus or things we want to eat. And well, so I don't have to go grocery shopping well, like 7 times a week, but maybe again I reduce it to 2 times. So this is what I want to well, take with me with the month of November. Well, I notice my head is a little bit full lately, so I'm a little bit more tired also, but those weekly menus will help me to get my head a little bit more clear, so I know what to eat every day. And well, I'm just gonna get started to my November bullet journal. Okay, so this was it for this month, for November. And for, well, about 1 or 2 months ago I started reading again. So I went to the library and got a lot of books. So instead of watching TV, because I don't think there are really nice things on TV, I really like to read a book and grab a cup of tea. I really love tea. I can drink tea the whole day. So my cup of tea with a book on my couch, sometimes with a plate when it's getting colder. So nice and cozy in November. I want to keep reading and well, just get my head a little bit clear. And got my weekly menu. So this is 1 week and this is the next week. And I'm also into plants lately because we got a new closet in the living room. I don't know if I say it correctly, but we had one with a lot of glass doors, so you couldn't put a lot of stuff or clutter, you could say, behind those doors. So we got a new cupboard, and it's smaller, and it's just one. Then I can put some plants on it so that grows down, and besides it I have more room to put bigger plants next to it. So I want to get the plants in my bullet journal too, so that's why you saw the books and the plants. So a hanging plant too. Those are up on my new cupboard. And also books, another plant. And I would love to have something like this in my house when I've got more room. And so that's why I put it in my bullet journal too. And the organic forms here, I don't think I already did that, so I thought it would be nice to do it like this for November. And here is my brain dump and my goals for this month. So this was it for the month of November, and I'm curious if you are keeping up your yearly bullet journal, if you already did one, and what themes you are putting in them. So feel free to comment on that in the comment section below. And for now I just wish you a happy November month, and I hope to see you next month with another bullet journal. So bye bye.